156 divided by 12. Here 12 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 12. 12 times 0 0, 12 times 1 12, 12 times 2 24, 12 times 3 36, 12 times 4 48. To find out the multiplication table of 12, just add 12 with the previous step. 0 plus 12 12, 12 plus 12 24, 24 plus 12 36, 36 plus 12 48, 48 plus 12 60. This process will continue. 12 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as our current dividend 1 is less than 12. So 0 times 12, 0 times 12, 0. Subtract 1, bring down next digit 5. 12 goes into 15 how many times? 2 times 24, which is greater, so 1 time. 1 time 12, 12. Subtract 3, bring down the next digit 36. 12 goes into 36 how many times? 3 times. 3 times 12, 36. Let me check. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 1, 3. 36, right? So 3 times 12, 36. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0 and there is no digit in the dividend, so we are done. So our answer is 013 means 13. 13 is our answer.